bed now, but I couldn't rest till I told you about my experience with the Rose Duet. This duo right here is just such a lovely, lovely thing to use on your skin. The way my skin feels when I put it on after I wash it, it's so unbelievably amazing. I can't describe, there's not enough words to describe how wonderful this duo is here. I feel like I've been kissed by God, literally. The aroma coming from this duo right here, I've never smelled a rose scent like that before in my life. And these two, especially something special about the hydrosol mist, they sweat the roses that they use to make these and capture the dew that comes off those roses when they collect it and put them in these beautiful bottles. And both of these are so hydrating to your skin and helps with the appearance of blemishes. I mean, I have maybe one or two here. In fact, I think this one right here is on the verge of disappearing, so that's a wonderful thing. I feel such a spiritual and powerful connection when I use these two on my face, morning or night. It doesn't matter. Whenever I use these, I feel so alive. I feel calm and peaceful and blessed all at the same time. And I hope that y'all will take advantage of the Rose Duet, which is, again, available since the 1st of July. They had run out of this before and they had to restock it, so it's available now. And if you want to stop by my site and pick it up, it's totally fine. I'll have my referral site down. And also, July enrollees, future enrollees, if you take advantage of this month, placing your first enrollment order. I don't know if you can include these or not, but I'm sure you can. But if you have questions about that, let me know. Drop it in the comments. Yeah, you start with your first order. It has to be 100 or more PV or point value. And then you place your loyalty order, your first loyalty order in August. And then by September, you'll have 100 free product points to use on whatever you want. So I pray you'll take this opportunity, get this duet. It's fantastic. It's just so amazing. If you have any questions or any concerns at all about signing up or how you want to get started, let me know. Drop it in the comments and I'll be happy to help you. I want to be your friend. I want to be your guide. I want you to live your most powerful life by using these doTERRA oils and products. And if you already use it, let me know that too. Drop in the comments. I can learn as much from you as you could from me. I'm quite sure. Maybe I can learn from you even more so. So go ahead and do that. Don't hesitate, all right? All right. I pray y'all have a blessed night, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.